Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing your Ps4 and audio source so you can record cleanly. You connect the mic or USB headset first, and then set the Ps4 input to that device so audio is captured from the right channel. Once done, update the system software and clear at least 10–20% of storage to avoid dropped clips. Make sure capture settings are set to video and manual length you want. This ensures consistent file sizes and prevents mid-session interruptions while you record gameplay. Next, optimize both video and audio parameters for quality. Choose 720p or 1080p and 30 or 60 FPS depending on your Ps4 model. Higher FPS demands more bitrate. Turn HDCP off if you plan to use a capture card, otherwise HDMI capture will be blocked. Adjust mic gain and enable any low cut or boost sparingly to avoid clipping. You want clear voice without distortion. Also balance game versus chat audio in the Ps4 audio. Finish by recording a short test and exporting a sample to confirm quality. You can capture directly to USB for convenience, but a quality capture card gives higher bitrate and better audio channels. When you export, trim and normalize audio, apply a light noise reduction, and check sync. If you notice drift, resync in your editor using a clear clap or spike. If problems persist, verify input selection, mic mute, and HDCP setting. These fixes resolve most muted or blocked recordings quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.